Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to adjust the carburetor on your two-stroke strimmer, or it can be on a lot of different two-stroke tools. So why do you need to do this? You don't always need to do it, but sometimes if you find you're starting the machine then the engine's dying, or you're starting the machine and you're pressing the throttle and then it's dying, usually means your carburetor needs adjusting. So you have two different ones. You have an idle and you have a rev one. So if it's dying when you first start it without pressing the throttle, you'll have to adjust the idle one. And then if it's dying when you're pressing the throttle, then you have to adjust the throttle one. Some machines do have just the one, and then you just have to kind of play with it like that. So yeah, so just a note on tools. Some tools are really good and they just have a normal screwdriver, but others you have to get a special set of tools. Like this one here is called the single D because the screw looks like a capital D, so it's got that on the screw head. I got a set of these off eBay. If you look at carburetor adjusting tools on eBay, you can find a set of them. I've got a set in the shed that fits nearly all carburetors. So without further ado, enough of me talking, I'll show you how we do it. Right guys, so this is your carburetor adjustment ports here. The one on this side here, that's for your idle, and then this side is for your throttle. So I'll just do a brief video showing me adjusting each one, and you can hear the sound difference in it. So I'll do that now. So let's start it up. You can hear it idling. I'll put it in. Then if I turn it this way, you can hear the engine starts to die, and then if I bring it back up, you can hear it start, and if I go too far the other way, it flutters a bit. You want it in that sweet spot there. Then if I put it in this one, and I rev it, so as you could hear there, you could hear the difference. I was throttling that the whole time, but I just, as I was turning it, it would either throttle higher or lower. And the same with the idle one. So sometimes when you get to do it with this one, when you get them from the factory, they can be very frustrating because you start it up and you think, what's going on? Why won't it stay on? Or you go to throttle it and it just dies, and they haven't adjusted the carburetor properly. So I had to buy this tool in order to do it. I'll give you a bit of a close-up of the tool. So you can see there, it's like a D shape. It even says on it single D. And I've got a whole set of all different types of these. In fact, I'll go get them and show you. Guys, so this is the set I brought, and they all come in different bags. So you have ones like splined, you have another single D, another splined one. They're like different sizes. You just have, this is called a Chaprters. Don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Then you even have the Pac-Man, if you can see. It's like a Pac-Man shape there. Then we have you got some of the guys in the audience will love this, the double D. I'm sure a lot of you like the double D out there. And then we have another different size Pac-Man. So they're not much money to buy, and they're just the right tool for the job. Just to adjust your carburetor, you just insert it and turn with the engine on, and job's a good one. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video on how to adjust your carburetor. I hope that was simple enough and you could see what I was doing. I'll try and leave a link for this set in the description if I can find it.